So let me tell you a little bit about the Laszlo application platform. What we're trying to do here is to marry the best of web-deployed applications with the best of desktop applications. Web-deployed applications are great. You can get to them from a server, centrally deployed. Desktop applications have a rich look and feel, are much more powerful, much easier to use. If you think about an application like a calendar, an online calendar, if you've used something like Yahoo Calendar or any of the comparable products, you know where you're hitting a wall on it. You can't really get to your data. You click on an appointment, the page refreshes, you hit back to change this. Very awkward. Here we've got an example calendar application built using the Laszlo platform. Server delivered. Nothing installed in the browser other than the Macromedia Flash plugin. So I'm going to show you a couple features of this. First, I click on a meeting, and I didn't get a new page. I can drag this thing around to a new day. Drag and drop, just like a desktop application. Go into a day, expand in place, look around here. What have I got? Take an appointment, pull it to a new time. Suppose I want to get details on an appointment. Click on it. Details. Panel side slides in. We can go and see, what's the title of the meeting, what's the date on it, everything else here. This is a long way from, click, new page, click, new page, click, new page. All of the Laszlo platform is designed to create a continuous interface. So, for example, when I change from month view to week view, you see a smooth transition. Go back to month view, smooth transition. When I go forward a month, I don't reload the entire interface. Go backward a month, I don't reload the entire interface. This is just a lot more productive. This is a much better way of working with the web. Now I'm going to move on to another application that shows off more of the capabilities of the platform. Again, same thing. We're inside of a browser. We're server delivered, nothing in the browser except for the Macromedia Flash plugin. I'm going to log in here. This is a web portal, or you could think of this as an online desktop built using the Laszlo platform. Log in. First thing you notice is this does not look like HTML. We've got a different kind of a presentation. I can navigate through this in a way that's not, much friendlier and nicer than HTML. Better presentation. I have a windowing system within the browser, so I can take, these modules and move them around. Now, as a developer using Laszlo's platform, you can put whatever you want in here. You could use these windows, you could use component parts of this, or you could build something completely from scratch, like the calendar. One of the things that you get out of this system, take a look at the contact list here. If I click on one of these contacts to reveal more information about it, it expands in place. It doesn't do a server return trip to get that information. It's very fast. Now, the other thing about this contact list is that it doubles as a buddy list in an instant messaging kind of sense. So on another computer, someone's going to log in as Brett, and you'll see right here we have Brett Simister, Laszlo Systems. And when he logs in, you're going to get a notification within this browser that he is actually logged in without a page refresh. Password Brett. No. Oh, lowercase, lowercase. What you saw there was an alert coming into your browser without a page refresh, just the kind of thing that you would associate normally with a desktop application. No download, nothing of that sort included. We also have instant messaging within this framework. You as a developer could use this alert mechanism to do a bunch of different things. One is to push an instant messaging type application directly into your browser. So here we're seeing that Brett is actually typing something on a remote machine, and when he hits return, the text shows up in the window here. Again, without a page refresh. You'll also notice that we have streaming music. I can go ahead and start playing, we have streaming music. Right in here I've got a directory of files that are resident on the server. When I click on one of them, I get the option to play. The file is being streamed down to the browser. I can manipulate this just like I can manipulate a regular MP3 player. But all of this is running within the Flash client. Therefore, no supplemental plugins required, no Real Player, no Windows Media Player, no QuickTime. It doesn't take you away from where you're now looking. It doesn't take you away from your current user experience. Video, same kind of thing. We can stream video into this client. Our server takes video and will present it in such a way that Flash can output it within the Flash client here. Totally integrated with the windowing system. I can drag the video around. While I'm dragging the video around, the chat can continue to work. I have a multitasking system within the browser here. And again, you could put anything you want within these modules here. You could have corporate information within here. You could have weather. You could have a calendar. Put it back into position. Again, full video player features, no supplemental application, just within the browser. Last thing I'm going to show you is a demo that we did for an online photo site. Again, nothing in the browser except Flash. I'm going to click to enter one of these photo albums, and you'll get a sense of the kinds of things that you can do with this interface that are not possible using HTML. First, I'm going to go full screen. See a little more there. Click to enter this photo album. Notice that the page does not blank. We go continuously from photo album to the contents of the photo album. Through that animation there, we've illustrated to the user where they came from, where they're going to. Now, I've got a bunch of photos here. I want to edit one of them. Click. Photo grows. It's selected out. And we're illustrating to the user what they might be able to do with that photo. I can go in here, and I can select what portion of the photo I want to show. Notice that this is an application-style look and feel. This is not the kind of look and feel, this is not the kind of function that you would get out of a web browser. Now finally, you can write one of these applications and deliver it via a web page or via a standalone desktop application. The Laszlo standalone client allows you to take any application that you've built using the Laszlo application platform and deploy it as a desktop application, which can be used either online or offline, a single build. You'll notice that this is the same content that you saw earlier, but instead of being wrapped by the browser, it's being wrapped by the Laszlo standalone client. And finally, the same code, again, can be used on a Pocket PC and on other devices that support our platform. This is a very portable framework. It works on PDAs, third-generation cell phones, and interactive television. Done. Cool. Great. No, that wasn't great.
You've done that a few times.
Yeah, but that wasn't great.